Good year aspirants, this is Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And if you have any mathematical doubts, query or anything, so please feel free to drop an email to our email ID, which is saurabhsirclasses@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp us to this number. So that can be beneficial for your uh, upcoming preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI entrances, etc. So please feel free to contact us via these contact details if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR MCQ section, and the question is telling us that a lie detector determines correctly whether a person is lying or telling the truth with probability 0.8, independently of whether the person is actually lying or not. So assume that the people tell the truth 90% of the times. Given that the particular person, the lie detector says that the person is telling the truth, what is the conditional probability that he is actually telling the truth? There are four options here, which is 0.9, 0.8, 36 by 37, and 76 by 77. So what can be done here? So this is a application of Bayes theorem. We know that. So now let us, yeah, okay. So what have done here? So we are going to define the events. So let us name it T. That means the person is telling the truth. And our L is what? The person is lying. And our another is D. That means the detector says the person detector says the person is telling truth. Okay. So now we are given what? We are given PT, that is equals to 90%, which is 0.9 here, and our PL is will be my 0.1, because that is 1 minus 0.9, so that will be 0.1. So now our PDT is what? PD given T. That means the lie detector correctly identifies the truth telling with the probability 0.8, so that will also be 0.8, and my PD given L, that is equals to 0.2. That means the lie detector incorrectly identifies lying as truth telling with probability 0.2. So now we want to find what? We want to find this thing, PT given D. That means the people tell the truth, the person is telling truth, and given the lie detector says so. So now we are going to use the Bayes theorem. We know that that is equals to P of T given D, that is P of D given T into P of T by P D. Okay. So now let's find our PD. So PD will be what? So our PD, okay, let me write in another side, so that will be after that, so that will be easier to see in the question. Okay. Our PD has to be P of D given T into that is PT plus that will be P of D given L into PL. So that will be what? Then our PD given T is equals to 0.8 into that will be 0.9 plus that will be 0.2 into 0.1. So that is equals to what? That is equals to 0.72 plus 0.2. So that is 0.74. So my PD is 0.74. So now we have to calculate PT given D. So that is a very easy task. So after that my PD given T is 0.8 and my PT is what? PT is 0.9 by we got 0.74. Yeah. So that is equals to 0.72 by 0.74. So that is equals to 36 by 37. So this is the correct answer of this question. So our correct answer of this question will be our option C. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any query, any doubts related to mathematics or statistics probability, so please feel free to contact us via this contact details. So you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Saurabh sir's classes, like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and online classes. So that will be beneficial for you. And and if you need any help from us, please feel free to contact. Okay. So hope you understood, guys. Thank you.